Hello Globe. So this is my first video after I dropped out from my engineering college. Rather, I passed from my engineering college and never looked out for the other job. So ये मेरा फार्म है, अनार का फार्म. This is my first video. अभी क्या हो रहा है कि मेरे खेत के अंदर जो छाटनी जो बोलते हैं प्रूनिंग वाला प्रोसेस अभी चालू हो चुका है. लगभग 27 दिसंबर 2025 को. तो जैसे कि आप देख सकते हैं अभी ये जो मेरा बगीचा है वो ऑलमोस्ट 15 साल का हो चुका है. 2011 का लागवड है. तो काफ़ी मेहनत किया है अभी तक आने के लिए. मेरे पूर्वजों ने, मतलब जो मेरे पहले यहाँ पे काम किया करते थे, मैंने इस बिज़नेस को 2020 से ज्वाइन किया है. सो आई एम जस्ट शेयरिंग माई पार्ट ऑफ द स्टोरी of whether you guys must also join farming or not. So most of it is easy, but only for those who are working towards a very fit life, or maybe just doesn't look into reality coming into this business. क्योंकि आप अगर स्टैंडर्ड ऑफ लिविंग और अपनी लाइफ देखोगे काफ़ी पीसफुल है इसके अराउंड, लेकिन बहुत हार्ड वर्क है. हार्ड वर्क एज इन मैं खुद ये सब काम नहीं कर रहा हूँ. एज यू कैन सी, this is not what I am doing. There are many guys which are doing it for me. उसके लिए मुझे पैसा भी देना पड़ता है, but obviously, but I would like to say is it is absolutely a gorgeous thing as a satisfaction if you ever think of, because इससे ज़्यादा पैसा ना ही कॉर्पोरेट जॉब्स में है और ना ही गुज्जू मारवाड़ीज टाइप दुकानों में है. सो हियर आई एम, day 1 of my vlogging. Please support my channel and subscribe to my channel. If there's anything you would like to suggest in terms of getting connected with the audience, please suggest. It would be a lot of help. This is my first video of my entire life. I've never done this, but अगर आपका प्रोत्साहन रहेगा तो I would like to share every bit of my journey towards this business, and just every bit of it. I can share every detail of it, starting from today, which is 2 January 2026. I've been thinking of doing vlogging since ages, before 5 years during lockdown, but it never happened because I was way too insecure, maybe shy. But I just went and thought, why not? If it has become so normal, and इससे ना ही मेरा पैसा जा रहा है और ना ही मेरा वक्त बर्बाद हो रहा है. Just doing a job and also creating a content. And I would like to share again. I would like to share my mango farm as well. I will show you my entire farm from the tower. This is my mango farm, as you can see. That one was my pomegranate farm. This one is mango. So yes, it's very early, and it's December. It's early January, and we don't know nothing about mango farming yet. Naturally, whatever fruits that mango produced was eaten by us. Nothing was sold, and it was natural. We didn't even provide fertilizers to mangoes. But as you see, this is going on right now. तो क्या होता है ना, ये जो तार और बाम्बू आप जैसे देख रहे हो, ये एक सपोर्ट सिस्टम होता है प्लांट कि जैसे भी ये जो फ्रूट्स आते हैं तो हम लोग इसके ऊपर वो उसका बेरिंग लोड डालते हैं. तो what we are doing right now, or maybe not me, my neighbors are doing right now with no head, absolutely, is doing it on their own, some jugaad to just remove the kachra of pruning by a tractor, as you can see. Mostly does matter a lot because the cleanliness, the drip, the water irrigation all depends on this. The drip irrigation also depends on this. So yeah, now I am in a pomegranate farm. I'll be going to a mango farm again. क्या मस्ती कर रहे हैं ये लेबर्स, लेट्स सी. जमता है क्या? So this is what we have to do. After cleaning, we have to just place our drips. जो भी इरिगेशन सिस्टम जो हमने यहाँ पे प्रोवाइड किया है उसकी देखभाल के लिए, ये फिर से जैसा का वैसा रहने के लिए ये वाला सिस्टम प्रोवाइड किया जा रहा है. इसे हम एक केनी बोलते हैं इन कॉमन लैंग्वेज. आई डोंट नो व्हाट इट्स कॉल्ड इन इंग्लिश, बट या with the help of that, a lot of labor is being saved. Near about, I think, 7-8 people, which costs us 500 per labor. So yeah, that's what it is. The daily wages of each labor is 500 approximately in our area. So that job of the tractor and the kenny saved us near about 4,000 rupees per day. And as I said, that was my pomegranate farm. This is my mango farm. And this is the first time we are actually doing mango farming. That farm is since 11 years, maybe I think 15 years. 2011, and this farm is 3 years old. And as you can see, this is yeah, this is the bore that we called the initiation of the Kali. As you can see, there are many technical things that needs to be taken care of just so that we get a lot of good fruits, big fruits, and the volume, the quantity of each fruit of each tree to be more, and to be disease free. Like it should not be like this. Lots of technical things have to be taken care of, and this video is only for entertainment purposes, but I think it's just my first vlog, so I'll be carrying forward entertainment as well as educational, because फायदा भी तो होना चाहिए. So this is the bore, as you can see. Yeah, I'll show you the whole farm once I reach at the top of my tower, which is nearly about 30 to 40 feet. As you can see, that's the farm, that's the tower. I keep a watch on labor, and yeah, also the whole farm whenever I'm resting. And this is the kind of bar that we need. As you can see, this is the kind of bar that I need. This year I don't know what has happened to the other trees, but surely these bars are needed in other trees as well. As you can see, yeah, most of the trees are not able to bear that, like the new bar, the new Kali, the initiation of the Kali, but surely with time it will happen. As this is just the first year of mango, we don't exactly know what problems that we can encounter, but we are very optimistic about it, and really hope that we can bring a lot on table with mango farming as well. Yeah, this is the farm. Yeah, this was about like 2021, 22, the whole plantation took, and the trees, the plants were bought from very secretive places, because the quality of the plant is immense. The interpollination, everything, as you can see, is immense. You won't find any kind of diseases or anything regarding the immunity thing with these plants. I can assure you that these also the secret. I can also tell you the secret of where we bought these plants from in my next video, of course. Maybe not, because I'm not allowed to say it, but maybe further, if I am interested in doing any other vlogs, I will. So that was 2002, 22, 23 plantation, and this is 2023, 24 plantation. So the age gap is near about 1 year, and these are just 1.5 years old, and those are almost 2.5 to 3 years old. As you can see, these are a lot shorter and smaller than those plants. And it can also bear fruits like this. As you can see, all the natural process is happening, and we just don't know yet whether it is really applicable. Like whatever spray and whatever watering that we are doing is okay or no, because as it said, a mango plant doesn't need a lot of water. It needs a lot of water post like when the fruit size is nearly about this uh, lemon size, as you can see. So see you, the laborers are here. We can't talk shit in front of them because they are way too insecure, or maybe I don't know. Talking in English would also make them a bit uncomfortable. See you.